Here I have DOOGEE S61 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after that you will end up in a boot mode. So here in the boot mode you can use volume up to navigate and volume down to select, and you have such options as recovery mode, fast boot mode and normal boot. So if you want to quit this mode, just select a normal boot, and after that device will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.